Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Bago kita tanungin, pupurihin muna kita, ha? Alam mo bang napakaganda mo?
Thank you so much.
Okay, so ang tanong ko ay napakasimple. Kasi gusto na rin matapos na dahil inaantok na kami at inaantok na rin naman siguro kayo. Okay, sa May 10 ay election, national election. Okay, diretsahang tanong. Sino sa mga kumakandidato bilang presidente ang sa palagay mo ay makakapagpabago, makakapagpaahon sa sistema ng ekonomiya ng ating bansang Pilipinas?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, for me, ladies and gentlemen, I right to choose the right person for a good leader. And I know, ladies and gentlemen, a good leader must be Noynoy Aquino. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, her family, his family came from a good and a right person. But I believe, ladies and gentlemen, with his family, I know that he can follow what the family done to our country, and that will be all. Thank you so much.
Now, ngayon,